Let's start by taking a look at the camera. The camera can be used to take pictures of people, items or work that you've produced. To use it, start by pressing the plus icon and selecting the camera. From here you can use the left hand side to zoom and the right hand side with a button to take a photo. When you tap on Use Photo, it will give you the option to crop the image. Down the left hand side it will also give you some other options, including to rotate the image, choose an aspect ratio or a size of the image, and also to undo anything that you may have already done. When you're happy, tap the tick in the top left hand corner and it will save to your Showbie account. You can also take video direct in Showbie. By selecting the video on the right hand side, the Take Photo button will now turn into a recording button and allow you to take video. You can still use the zoom down the left hand side if you wish. When you're done, you will be asked if you want to retake or use a video. Tapping on the Use Video will give you the following choices. Whether you want to upload the video quality in original, highest, high or medium, and it will tell you the size of those. And also down the bottom it will allow you, like on iOS, to crop the video both at the end and the start. When you're happy with the video, just tap Done in the right hand corner.